Alors,
So I'm basically doing a makeup tutorial while explaining the whole app.
Yeah.
And I want to post it on my YouTube.
Yeah, sure. That's a good idea. Yeah, it's a nice
It
idea.
needs to be a nice bathroom, so hopefully the light is going to be good enough.
Yeah, it is a nice bathroom. The check-in is 11. Yeah, straight.
As soon as we go in there, there's almost nothing. I mean, there is, but not much.
Yeah.
I remember I was in exactly this terminal when I got to... Where did I go? Italy, somewhere in Italy. For a job with baby people.
Okay.
And this terminal is pretty cheap. So if you want to go to Starbucks or something, you need to do it here.
Yeah. Thank God I don't need Starbucks.
I needed to remind you of something. What was it? Was it the pharmacy?
Cosmopolitan.
Yeah, but I needed to remind you of something. What was it?
Ah.
Remember? Yesterday you said you need to remind me of something.
Let me think.
I think it was the pharmacy.
Okay, what the pharmacy have done? Yeah, maybe that was that. Let's look at 11.
Bulgaria. Must be this one. Oh no, this. That's 11. Which airline do you have? Bulgaria? Or Bulgaria?
Same. Vueling is the operator.
That's
But last minute. Let's go with the last minute thing.
This one.
So it's just a drop off. Sorry, checking. It's a drop off. Maybe. That's
I go there.
left.
One for small and one for big, and we don't know which. What?
This one, keep it up.
Yes.
We're a bit late for the flight.
It's okay.
You sure?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's the Ibiza one.
Yes, it's 11:10. I'm
Yeah?
gonna close 11:10. It's okay. You have time.
And this?
All right.
Okay.
This one for the second
This
one?
one you want to check in?
Yeah.
Yes.
This one, keep it.
Cheers.
Keep it this one. Sorry, go straight. Sorry, man.
Straight. Why not this one? Click. It's okay. Don't touch the luggage. It's gonna be sent. No, no, no.
Ça va? Is it gonna come to Ibiza?
Yeah. For sure. Seven kilograms.
Oui,
Wait.
this was the same as before. Do you see Gala somewhere?
Where is Cosmopolitan? It should be here.
But that's a wrong one.
Gala hors série. No. It should be here. No, you don't have. What? Tell me what? Yeah.
It's an idea.
Einstein. You're going to be, yeah?
Let's talk after.
B is on the left side. Check the priority pass if they are. Oh, let me check now. They added this. Oh, we have. Sophie, we have. We have the lounge here. Yeah.
Here.
Yeah, only one. Wait, it's
There, here is the
Schengen
premium
after
one.
passport control. Yeah, perfect. Thank God.
One more second.
Yeah.
Pagavamo, guarda che sono in grado.
You know what? On the airport in Vienna, on the terminal where they have the really nice lounge, I think it's Terminal 1, they have now a new system where you don't have to unpack your bags at all.
Yeah, I saw
You don't
that.
have to take out liquids, you don't have to
Computer,
take out computer,
yeah.
nothing.
It's been like that
So nice.
in Dubai for 2 years already.
Of course.
It saves so much time and hassle, huh? You just put your luggage. Thank you.
What I wanted to say is I need to talk to my agent. It saves me a lot of time.
Yeah. You just throw your luggage and then move on. Maybe this one as well, they don't need to. Let's check the lounge.
There's a lounge here. I will go to the relay once again, see if they have a yogurt. I will also get myself
Fuck, I
something
know
to
this shit.
I told you. It's the
That's
first.
what I want to Warsaw from here.
I went to Italy from here. It's really not good. But I guess this is the relaxation and we need to go up for the lounge. But maybe I will get
How about you get in the lounge?
but I never been in this lounge.
Have you been in this lounge?
You just said it's the shittiest airport.
The airport, not the
They
lounge.
have a
I
lounge
haven't.
in the lounge.
Right side. Sophie. Hello. Thank you. Cheers. It's another flight. Very long queue still. Oh yeah. Yeah.